Hello children, let's continue chapter 3 of geography, which is about natural vegetation and wildlife. This is the second module of this chapter. In the previous module we studied about natural vegetation, types of natural vegetation, types and characteristics of forest, types and characteristics of grassland, and types and characteristics of shrubs. In this module we shall study about importance or utilization of natural vegetation, human impact on natural vegetation, and conservation of natural vegetation. Dear students, the forests they play a very significant role in our life. They have several direct and indirect aesthetic, economic and ecological benefits. They provide raw materials for certain industry. They provide food, fodder, fuel and fertilizers and fiber also. They prevent soil erosion and preserve the fertility of the soil. They provide moisture and lower the temperature. Forests they are important because they create oxygen. They provide natural habitat of various types of animals, affect the water cycle. They are the important source of raw materials. They provide timber products like paper and furniture and the non-timber products like medicine and herbs. Dear students, forests they carry great significance in human being life. But human beings they are blindly exploiting the forest to meet their own demands. Rapid population growth and industrialization are the main cause for the loss of forest. Deforestation. The huge removal of forest cover is known as deforestation, which leads to the loss of natural habitats, loss of biodiversity, loss of oxygen producers and CO2 eliminators. Conservation of natural vegetation. The conservation of natural vegetation means rational utilization of this resource. Some of the following measures for the conservation of forest are of critical importance. And the first and foremost measure is afforestation. Planting of trees in a methodical and planned manner and using them wisely to minimize the effect of reckless deforestation can be termed as afforestation. Afforestation is the process of establishment of forest where there was no forest. It is done by planting trees or sowing their seeds and caring continually until the trees grow collectively as a whole into a forest. This is the second step. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources is an international organization dedicated to natural resource conservation. The union brings together 83 states, 110 government agencies and more than 800 NGOs. Habitat protection. Forests provide shelter to species of trees which cannot grow elsewhere. Thus, forests need to be protected to save our precious species. Mass awareness should be created for the sustainable use of forest resources, particularly among people who are still dependent on forest resources. The Indian Forest Act. Legal measures like Forest Act should be formulated by the government. Creation of parks, hunting, chemical and other effluent causing death of plants should be controlled by imposing several legal acts.